Hello there and welcome to another tutorial, and in this video I will be going over how to log into Ikano online banking in 2024. And if that sounds right, then let's head right in. Alright, the first thing you'd want to do is to head over ikanobank.de. And of course you might not find this page in English, so all you have to do is click on this bar right here and select English as default, and this should pop up. Alright, so next what we're looking for is to click on one of these links here. So first of all, Ikano banks offer a lot of services, but generally the login process for whichever service you're looking to use will be the same. So I'll just click on something like this and I have it open here already. So this is a typical login page where you have to input some kind of username here, right here. And I really don't know what this means. So let's see if we can switch to English. And well, I've tried this before and I might not really find anything useful there. So what I'll do is that I'll do something like this. And I'll just type out this right here. So username is supposed to go here and a PIN. And after that, just click on this button right here and you should be signed into your account for this particular service. Now, if you're having issues, if you're having issues with your login, you can click on, let's see what this means. So if you've forgotten your access data, that's what this means right here. You can, of course, contact this line, this number, and I'll just input that here. So just so we know exactly what this means. So please contact our staff on. All right, so you can contact this number if you're having issues with your login. But outside of that, all you have to do here is input a username and your PIN right here, and you should have access to this login. Now, that's that. In case you're wondering what platform this is, Depot Translator. As you can see currently, I'm translating from German to English. You can do this for any language, right? So that's that. And well, yeah, that's kind of it. Alright, and that's it for this video on how to log into Ikano Bank in 2024. And like I mentioned, Ikano Bank is an online banking service and they offer a lot of banking services. So if this video helped you out or gave you some tips, insights or ideas on how to log into your Ikano Bank online account in 2024, then do well to leave a like on this video and of course subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in another video.